In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your Serpentine belt idler pulley on this Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi engine, located right on the front of your engine where the belt rides, so let's get started. Use a 3/8 drive ratchet or Serpentine belt tool, stick it in the tensioner, right there, pull clockwise on it, that should release pressure, and then you can remove the belt. There we go, let that go. Remove your tool. With a 13mm socket, remove the bolt holding on the idler pulley. Remove the bolt as well as the pulley. And there it is. If your bolt stayed in, just pull it out, remove it. We will be reusing this unless yours is in poor condition, then replace it. This idler pulley is not directional, doesn't matter which way you face it. Slide the bolt in, make sure it's seated and comes through the other side nice and centered. Clean up the area. As you'll see, this has to line up perfectly in here, which it will do once you start threading this on. So I'll just get that bolt threaded on there. There we go. Automatically that should start lining up as you tighten it. That's bottomed out. Give it a quick snug. Then of course we'll be torquing it. Tighten this to 20 foot-pounds. Get your 3/8 ratchet in the tensioner. Pull the tensioner clockwise. That should give you enough slack on the belt to put it up and around. Well, ideally I would do it around the idler because it's a flat pulley, but it's further down and I just can't get my hand in there. So I'm going to go around the alternator. Makes it more difficult because of the ribs that want to stick, but at this point you always want to double check your pulleys. As you can see, this one is not lined up, so I'm going to put it back on there. Double check everything else before you call this done. Looks like down there is good, this one's good. Everything else looks perfectly lined up. Now do double check it again after you turn the engine on. Turn it on for a couple seconds, shut it off, come here and check it, but at this point this looks good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.